Hello, everyone. You are welcome to the inside of my screen, and thank you for joining me. Hello, welcome to the inside of my screen, and thank you for joining me. Good. So, from my last live stream yesterday on the EURUSD, when price was somewhere around here, so we have been calling. The EURUSD has been having a sell momentum from this high right here down to where it is, and so we have a lower low, we have a lower high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a high. And I also say that, and in my last video, that was yesterday, that if we can get a breakout right here, a 4-hour candle breakout from here right here, a full body breakout from this high right here, price will come to test this trend line again. So, and also we have this first touch point trend line, we have the second touch point trend line, and if price can come here, it will make it the third touch point on the 4-hour time frame. But unfortunately, 4-hour candle was unable to break above this level right here. It attempted it. The buyers were able to push price up, but before the 4-hour time frame closed, the sellers step in and drive the price down right here. And I also say that provided that price is still trading below this level right here, which I just want to see, I'm interested to see the 4-hour candle break and close above right here. Then from there, price will come right here. And also right here, we have this low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a high. Price came right here to attempt it but could not break down, and it formed a small chart pattern. We have this left shoulder, we have the head, and we have the right shoulder right here, and price push to the downside. So right here now, this make it look as if we might see price coming right here again to come attempt this resistance right here, and also right here, the trend line as well. Let me adjust this trend right here. We have this first touch point trend line, we have the second touch point trend line. So so we might still see price coming to test this trend line again for the third attempt. And if the third attempt can break, if the third attempt should hold, price will push up to come attempt this resistance level again. So so now what is holding price from pushing higher is this resistance level that is around 1.16450. That is a level of resistance 1.16450. That is where the level of resistance is. Price is definitely reacting to that level firmly. The sellers are holding that level firmly right here, and also like I've just said, that if price can come right here to attempt it again, so so we might get a breakout from here. And if price was still unable to break out, we might still come right here to test this trend line again for the third attempt. So coming to the daily time frame right here now. Okay, I'm now on the daily time frame. We can see that this is a range right here. Price push back down right here, and price is reacting right here, but still, if you can get a daily candle breakout from here, price will push up. So 4-hour time frame breakout from here, if breakout from here, price will push to the upside. So coming to the next pair on which is the Gbpusd. Gbpusd 2 right here too. I also called a breakout for me that if price can break above this trend line right here, price will push up. We have the first touch point trend line, we have the second touch point, we have the third touch point, we have the fourth, we have the fifth, we have multiple touches on this trend line right here. We have multiple touches on this trend line right here, and also we have price action go massing this trend line right here, come to this trend line right here, and price was just go massing this trend line right here, and also this is a trend line connected from this low. We have this first touch point trend line, we have the second touch point trend line, and upon the third touch point, price reacted right here upon the third touch point of this trend line right here. As you can see, price reacted right here on this touch point trend line. It was out, it was in, price was just massing it, this trend line right here, and it entered back again to come attempt this resistance again. I mean, to come attempt this resistance level and also attempt this trend line right here. But unfortunately, price was unable to break above this trend line, to break out of this trend line, and it entered back again to come attempt this trend line again. So now as it is now, if we can get a breakout right here, it just as in with what I'm seeing right here, the GBP is in a tight corner. GBP is in a tight corner right here. It does not, like, whenever it attempted to break above this level, it was rejected. Now right here, price is also what, reacting right here, and if price can break out from this trend line right here, from this level, it's coming here. So price can still come to attempt this level again, and if that should happen, price will break out from here, and also my deciding level right here, where I will look to go long on GBPUSD is to see price come to trade around this level. If price can come to 1.34680 right here, break out from this high right here, I will consider a buy trade. But for now, before market has to come right here, it has to pass through this level first before it will come to this level right here. But for now, GBPUSD is just in a tight corner. It's just in a tight corner right here. We have this first touch point, we have the second touch point, and price push up, back up, and it come to attempt it again, and price is just struggling around that level right there. So that is that. And again the trend right here is bearish. The sellers have a strong sell momentum to the downside, and from here, if the buyers can step in right here, we might see the GBPUSD blasting up from here. We might see it blasting up from here and come to attempt this resistance level. So now let's look at the AUD/USD. Now on AUD/USD from the daily time frame, we have done the top down analysis on AUD/USD. We have seen that from the higher time frame, AUD/USD has bearish. Price has break out from the trend line. It did not only break out from the trend line, it break out from a key level of resistance. It has break out and it has retested that level of resistance. So on the weekly time frame, we have a bullish engulfing candle that has engulfed the previous week candle, and also if the weekly candle can close with a bullish engulfing candle right here, with a bullish engulfing candle, we should see more buy opportunity on AUD/USD. Now right here on the daily time frame, we can also see that price created this minor level of resistance, whereby price attempted it for the first. It created this high, it broke down. Price come again to attempt it for the second attempt, could not break above this high right here. It still pushed back down. Price came again for the third attempt, could not break out properly, because on my last video yesterday, on my last live stream yesterday, I said that if we can get 85 to 90% daily candle break above this high right here, price will push up. But before the market day end yesterday, price was unable to fulfill that, and we have a slightly push to the downside. So now I take that again. So before the market day ended yesterday, price the sellers were able to push the price back down slightly, and also right here, we have a weak rejection right here. If this weak rejection can can close with a bullish pin bar, we expect the following day candle to give us a bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame. Then on AUD USD, we should see more of buy trade coming in right here. So we have the first touch point, we have the second touch point of this level, of this resistance level, and if we can get a clear breakout from this high right here, AUD USD will push to the upside. So now on AUD USD, this is the potential level on AUD USD, 0.75225. That is the next level target on AUD USD if price can continue to have a strong momentum to the upside. 0.75225, that is the next level target on AUD USD. So if we come to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we have a level right here. 4-hour candle breakout from here right yesterday. 4-hour candle breakout from here with the bullish engulfing candle, and we expected a retest. This was a pullback. The weak rejection that was on the daily time frame, this was the pullback from the 4-hour time frame. And also right here, I expected a confirmation buy candlestick here to go long on AUD USD. This candle right here, this particular candle right here, when it closed with a bullish pin bar, I expected the next 4-hour candle to engulf it with a bullish engulfing candle. Then I will take a buy position on AUD USD, but unfortunately that did not happen, and price just pushed back down. Right here. So now right here, we might see price coming right here to come fulfill this level right here, because if you look at it, this is a high that cannot be overlooked. Okay. So this is a high that cannot be overlooked right here, because when price break out from this level right here, this was a high. Price created this high, it pushed back down, it came again to attempt it for a second attempt, could not break. It was upon the third attempt price break out of it. So we might see AUD price coming to this level, to come retest this level. From there, give us a confirmation candlestick pattern, like a bullish engulfing candle, a morning star, a tweezer bottom right here, to take a buy position from right here. If that can happen, but if price could not come around here, I want to see a 4-hour candle engulf this one. 4-hour candle engulf this last candle right here. Then and then that would make a buy position to the upside. So that is that on AUD USD. If we can get a pullback right here, a 4-hour candle pullback right here, let price come to retest this level right here. If that can happen, from here we should expect a buy opportunity. From here, price should come right here to retest this level right here. Let you have a breakout, retest, come right here, then we go long on AUD USD. Price should pull back right here, like so. Price should pull back right here to retest this level. Let previous level of resistance turn support right here. Let previous level of resistance turn support. From there, AUD USD will continue to go down. So that is that on AUD USD. So I am going to end this live stream here. I have analyzed the Euro USD, the GBP USD, and the AUD USD. So I hope they go well as predicted. And also, if you found this video interesting, please smash that subscribe button right there. Drop a comment about what you think about the analysis. So thank you as you do so. So see you in the next live stream section. So have a nice day and bye for now.